students. Today I am going to start a new chapter number 11, Standard A SS, and today it is the first lecture, first video. I repeat, Standard A SS, chapter number 11, lecture 1, video number 1, and the title, the name of the chapter is The United Nations. The United Nations. Nations means countries and United means together. Okay, my dear student, what happened? We know, we have learned that in 1919, in the year 1919, the first World War ended. Okay, the first World War ended. And my dear student, at that time there was little destruction. Okay, we can say, and because of that, what happened, my dear student? At that time, Woodrow Wilson established, with the consulting with other countries, he started one institution, and the name of that institution was called League of Nations. League of Nation. Why it was started? Why the League of Nations started? My dear student, that there should not be again world war. Okay, and in order to prevent peace and security in the world, that is why in 1920, in the year 1920, League of Nations was established by whom? So Woodrow Wilson. Okay, by Woodrow Wilson it was started. But what happened? At that time? Okay, it tried to control both the weaker countries as well as the strong countries. But what happened? Due to the powerful countries attacked on a weaker countries, and because of that, Second World War started within 20 years. My dear student, in the year 1939, okay, Second World War started. Okay, my dear student, the First World War started in the year 1914 and lasted till 1919. After that, we have League of Nation. But it could not solve the dispute of weaker countries and the powerful countries, and because of that, very soon Second World War started in the year 1939. And my dear student, it ended in the year 1945. The war ended. But what was the problem? The Second World War was more destructive than the First World War. Why? Because in the Second World War, nuclear bombs were used. What was used? Nuclear bombs. Okay, and because of that, they were more destructive. Okay, and my dear student, America threw two bombs on two big cities of Japan. Okay, my dear student, 6th August and 9th August. My dear students, these 2 days these 2 days have a very big impact in a history of Japan, because what happened on 6th August and on 9th August, America threw nuclear bombs on two big cities. On 6th August, Hiroshima, and 9th August in Nagasaki. And my dear student, after that, Japan and Germany, they surrendered. And my dear student, World War ended. And after that, what happened? In order to keep security and peace in the world, what happened? On 24th October, 1945, okay, an institution was established, and that is called the United Nations. So it was founded on 24th October 1945. My dear student, when it was formed, okay, how many members were there? 51 members were there, okay, and later on the number increased, and at last it is said Sudan became the 193rd member of the United Nations, and today, my dear student, many countries are the part of United Nations. My dear student, on 24th October, who established the Franklin Roosevelt? Okay, I am writing the name here. Franklin Roosevelt established the United Nations, and my dear student, other countries they supported, and at last United Nations organization UNO, it was established on 24th October 1945. Got it? Now, my dear student, here in this thing you will find which are the languages, because many countries they are taking part. In India we have Hindi medium, okay, Hindi is the national language, but still we have other languages also like Gujarati, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, like that. In the world we have many languages. But certain languages they got place in United Nations. Which languages are the official languages of United Nations? My dear student, here I am writing. English is there. English, Spanish, Chinese, Russian, English, Spanish, Chinese, Russian, Arabic, and French. Are the official languages of United Nations. Got it? My dear student, now how many institutions are there, organizations are there, which are their motives, okay? Everything I am going to explain in a second video, but here I am giving little information about different institutions and what work they work. I will explain this thing in detail in a next video, okay? But let me complete this thing first, okay? Why League of Nations failed? First thing, League of Nations started after First World War, but it could not stop the powerful countries attack on weaker countries, and as a result within 20 years Second World War started. Once again, First World War started in the year 1940, ended in 1919. Second World War started in the year 1939, ended in 1945. Okay, Second World War was more destructive than First World War. Why? Because in Second World War, nuclear bombs were used by whom? By Americans. Okay, and where they threw the bombs? They threw bombs on two big cities of Japan. Which were they? Hiroshima and Nagasaki. On which date? On Hiroshima 6th August and on Nagasaki 9th August. Okay, and because of that destruction, Japan and Germany, they surrendered. Okay, and the allied groups, means America and England, they won the Second World War. Okay, now remember, after the World War First, League of Nations was established but could not work properly, means due to some problems. Okay, and it ended. Okay, after that Second World War ended, and because of that destruction, a new institution was established, and that is called the United Nations. The United Nations, UNO. Got it? When it was established? 24th October 1945. How many members were there at that time? When it was started, 51 members were there. 51 members. Today, how many members are there? Many are there. And the Sudan became the 193rd country, became the member of United Nations. Okay, my dear student, which are the official languages? Which are the official languages of United Nations? English, Spanish, Chinese, Russian, Arabic, and French. Got it? My dear student, here I would like to say, recently we know what happened in the world. Okay, we are suffering from one kind of disease that is called corona. Okay, and my dear student, one institution named WHO, who? Okay, this organization of UNO work for the health of the people in the world. That is why full form is World Health Organization. Other institutions are there, UNICEF and the other. Okay, that I am going to explain next time. But for today, I am just explaining this thing. Next time we will learn more. Thank you.